Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process on how to fix Facebook verification code not received. Most of the times, this verification code is simply not received because there is some kind of problem in the system. So if you try out in a few hours, it should work out for you. It especially does for most people, but even if you try after a few hours, it still doesn't work for you. Then you need to check out a few things on your phone. The first thing is make sure that you have given permission to the SMS app to receive messages. To check that, head over to your settings of phone and search for apps. Tap on apps and below you'll see an option for permission. And tap on permissions again. Now tap on the SMS section and make sure that SMS is allowed for the messaging app. It is allowed for mine, but if yours is in denied, simply tap on it, and then if yours in deny, then tap and make it to allow. If you're using Messenger or any other third-party apps to receive your phone messages, then make sure that you also allow these. After you do that, make sure that your internet connection is stable if you're using your Wi-Fi or your data. The last and the simplest thing that you can try out is try to reboot your phones. Tap and hold on the power button and then simply tap on reboot. Issues like this could be solved from simplest of solutions. So make sure you try out all these, and you should be able to receive your verification code.